Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the monthly budget template, which can be purchased on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. With the monthly budget model, it's easy to stay on top of your finances. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, 15% to savings, and 5% to giving or debt repayment. This structure helps you avoid overspending and reach your financial goals faster. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the budgeting model works. You only need to complete 2 simple steps. Step 1, enter your main budget categories and planned amounts. Step 2, add your current cash flow. Next, let's move on to the budget sheet. Before adding your budget details, choose your budgeting period. This could be a month, 2 weeks, or a week. Let's take a month as an example. Choose your base currency. To begin filling in the basic data, you need to specify the main categories in the income, needs, wants, savings, and debt tables. Let's enter examples of income categories. And enter the budget amount. The actual data and progress refresh automatically, and the currency symbol is applied automatically. Let's enter the categories in the needs table. And enter the budget amount. This data is also updated automatically. Enter categories in a table of wants. Enter the budget. Enter categories in a table of savings. Enter the budget. Enter the categories in the debt table. And enter the budget amount. And so we entered examples of categories and budget. The model is in English by default, but if you need to translate the tables into another language, our TranslateHub tool can help. It's fast, accurate, and user-friendly. You'll find the link in the description. Let's return to the model. For your convenience, input cells are highlighted in light blue, while formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. Please avoid editing the formula cells, as doing so may disrupt the calculations. Cells with formulas are also locked. If you want to make adjustments to the formula, you need to enter the data and click OK in response to the message that appears. The formula have changed. To make edits in the Excel version, simply unlock the sheet. There's no password needed. However, it is recommended not to adjust the formulas yourself, as this may disrupt the model's operation. After setting up the categories and budget, the next step is the transactions table. This is where you mark your actual budget data. In the table, you need to fill in all columns except the amount column, which is calculated automatically. Let's enter some data into the table. Drop-down menus for categories are built automatically using the data from the tables above. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. Let's look at tables and charts that will help you analyze budget data. The data in these tables is updated automatically. Based on it, you can analyze how effectively your budget is being used. The left within budget block displays the amount of funds you still have available. The income distribution chart shows how your budget is allocated across different categories. The cash flow summary chart helps you visually compare actual results with your budget. The allocation summary chart provides a visual comparison of the percentage breakdown of your income. Scrolling down, you can see two charts. The expense breakdown chart will help you analyze your expense structure. The income components chart allows you to analyze the breakdown of your income. Please note that only data for the selected period is taken into account. For example, if you enter a date outside this time frame, this data will not be included in the calculation. If you're starting a new budget period, don't copy the simple budget sheet, just make a new Google spreadsheet so everything works correctly. One more technical note. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas function correctly. Additionally, please avoid opening the Excel file through Google Sheets. If you prefer using Google Sheets, we suggest working with the dedicated Google version of the report. Try filling out your own budget to discover how easy it is to track your finances. Download the template via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can design custom tables of any level of complexity. Additionally, we provide templates with resale rights and run an open affiliate program. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a productive and successful day.